Following Wednesday's landmark Supreme Court decision upholding Tennessee's ban on gender-affirming care for minors, questions are swirling about what this means for young people in other states. 27 states across the country have enacted laws limiting access to gender-affirming care for minors, including our neighboring state, Idaho. Oregon law says that minors 15 years and older have the legal right to consent to medical treatment without needing parental approval. That does include gender-affirming care like hormone therapy and some surgical procedures. For those 14 and younger, parents or legal guardians must be involved in medical decisions around gender-affirming care. In 2023, Oregon lawmakers passed House Bill 2002, which solidified coverage for, quote, medically necessary gender-affirming care in both public and private insurance plans. And yesterday, Oregon's Attorney General Dan Rayfield posted on Twitter sharing a statement in response to the Supreme Court's decision, saying, quote, gender-affirming care is protected in Oregon. Oregon is a place where everyone, regardless of gender identity, deserves to live with dignity and respect, and Oregon rights and values are worth protecting, unquote. Oregon Senate Republicans responded to that post saying, quote, the U.S. Supreme Court reaffirmed a basic truth that 60% of Oregonians already believe. We must protect kids from irreversible medical decisions they are too young to make. Ignoring that isn't leadership, it's a failure to represent the people. In 2023, a poll conducted by DHM Research in Oregon revealed that while nearly 80% of Oregonians support protecting transgender people from discrimination, 60% think it should be illegal for healthcare professionals to provide minors with gender-affirming medical care. Now, in response to that ruling, advocacy group Basic Rights Oregon has announced a week of resilience for Oregon's trans community as they continue to advocate for the equal rights for all ballot measure. Basic Rights Oregon says that ballot measure would enshrine protections, for gender-affirming care, abortion, IVF, and same-sex marriage in the Oregon Constitution, making them harder to overturn in future legislative sessions.